Hello, welcome. In this video, I'll show you how you can perform a carrier lookup using your IMEI number and your phone number on your iPhone 14. So all you have to do is first go to your phone, and on your phone app, you have to dial this number, and this is the quickest way to see your IMEI number of your phone. And when you're done, just input the IMEI number here in this box on the IMEI.info website. Press check IMEI. Now you'll get some basic info about your phone, and when you scroll down you'll find the carrier lookup by phone number, and now you'll have to enter your phone number and the carrier lookup will be commenced, and it will be free. So if you enjoyed this video and consider it helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.